6 months. 6 months. 6 months of focused work can put you 5 years ahead in your career and your life. Just 6 months. So let me ask you, what would it take for you to have 5 years worth of growth in just the next 6 months? Imagine for a moment what that would be like to be that far ahead in your career and your life, because so many of you are reaching out to me right now and you're frustrated. You started off the year strong, but you've gotten off track. You've gotten off track with your goals and you want to know how you can get back on track. We'll grab a pen and paper and I'll give you the 4 questions that I gave members of our career community last week that is now serving as the basis of a 6 month accelerator program we're launching right now to help you do 6 months of work that's going to put you 5 years ahead in your career and your life. So, question number one: what did you get done over the past 6 months? Question number two: what do you want to get done over the next 6 months? Question number three: what will enable your success over the next 6 months? And question number four: what will hinder your success? What will hinder you from being successful over the next 6 months? Those are the 4 questions are posed in our community that are serving as a basis of the 6 month accelerator program we're launching today. Direct message me if you want to talk about that program. I invite you to join us. It's those 4 questions that are going to serve as the basis of success for you for the next 6 months, because we're going to define what success looks like for each of those goals that you just wrote down. We're going to define what success looks like and what distractions look like, and how we can ensure you stay on track with accountability, coaching, check ins. We want to see you succeed over the next 6 months. So imagine just for a moment, what would it be like to be 5 years ahead in your career and your life with just 6 months of focused work?